ठीक है। टुडे our chemistry topic is first law of thermodynamics, a part of +1 chemistry. बेटे फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स, एनर्जी कैन नाइदर बी क्रिएटेड nor be destroyed. One form of energy can be changed into another form of energy. And second definition, sum total of energy of the system and surrounding is always constant. Let us consider U1, energy of initial state, U1, and Q, heat absorbed by the system from the surrounding. W, work done on the system. U1 बेटे एनर्जी है इनिशियल स्टेज से, Q है हीट अब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय द सिस्टम फ्रॉम द सराउंडिंग, एंड W वर्क डन ऑन द सिस्टम. एंड U2 internal energy of final state. Internal energy of final state. U2 equal to U1 plus Q plus W. U2 minus U1 equal to Q plus W. U2 minus U1 is delta U, change in internal energy equal to Q plus W. एंड बच्चों वर्क की है माइनस पी डेल्टा वी, और इतने बेटे W की वैल्यू आप सबस्टिट्यूट कर देने हैं. डेल्टा U आ गया Q माइनस पी डेल्टा वी, एंड Q इक्वल आ गया बेटे डेल्टा U प्लस पी डेल्टा वी, विच इज कॉल्ड मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म ऑफ फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स. If volume is kept constant, delta V equal to 0 and QV equal आ गया बेटे डेल्टा U. एक्चुअली डेल्टा U की है चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी, इट इज heat change at constant volume. Next thermodynamic term is enthalpy. Enthalpy. It is denoted by H. Enthalpy is total heat content of the system. It is equal to the internal energy plus PV work. You can define enthalpy as sum total of internal energy and PV work. We cannot find absolute value of enthalpy. We can find only change in enthalpy, delta H. Delta H is equal to H2 minus H1, where H2 enthalpy of the product and H1 enthalpy of the reactant. If enthalpy of the product is greater than enthalpy of the reactant, delta H is positive and reaction will be endothermic. If enthalpy of the product is less than enthalpy of the reactant, delta H is negative and reaction is exothermic. Now, the very important question, a relation between change in enthalpy and change in internal energy. Relation between change in enthalpy and change in internal energy. लिखो let H1 U1 N1 be the enthalpy, internal energy and number of gaseous mole of the reactant. H2, U2 and N2 be the enthalpy, internal energy and number of gaseous moles of the product, and H1 equal to U1 plus P V1, where V1 is the volume of the reactant and P is a pressure which is constant. H2 U2 plus PV2, where V2 is the volume of the product, and delta H equal to H2 minus H1, and delta H equal to H2 की है बेटे U2 प्लस PV2 माइनस U1 प्लस PV1। तो बेटे थोड़े को आ गया है डेल्टा H इक्वल टू U2 माइनस U1 प्लस P V2 माइनस V1। and delta H equal to delta U प्लस P डेल्टा V। इक्वेशन नंबर 1, PV इक्वल टू PV1 equal to N1 RT according to ideal gas equation, and PV2 equal to N2 RT. Third minus second, PV2 minus PV1 equal to N2 minus N1 into RT. PV2 minus V1 equal to delta Ng RT. V2 minus V1 is delta, sorry, V2 minus V1 delta V. Delta V equal to delta Ng RT, equation number 4. From first and fourth, from first and fourth, delta H equal to delta U plus delta Ng RT. Which is a relation between change in enthalpy and change in internal energy. In case delta Ng equal to 0, no number of gaseous mole change, then delta H equal to delta U. Change in enthalpy equal to change in internal energy. ठीक है बेटे, सैकंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो आप बनावांगे डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ इंथैल्पी। ठीक है, हुण इत्थे बेटे छड्डदे आ पान नूं।